Hi everyone, in today's video I'll walk you through how to download Adobe Illustrator for free on both PC and Mac. Imagine having access to one of the best vector graphics tools in the industry without spending a cent. Whether you're working on personal projects, building your portfolio, or just want to try out new design techniques, this free trial is perfect for you. Let's get started. First off, Adobe offers a free trial through their Creative Cloud platform. It's really easy to kick things off. Just click the link in the description below, which will take you straight to the Adobe Creative Cloud sign up page. From there, you can register for a free trial. No hidden costs, no worries. Once you've signed up, the next step is to download the Creative Cloud app. This app is your gateway to all Adobe software, including Illustrator. The installation process is simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions to install the app on your computer. After installation, log in with the same email you used for the trial, and you're almost set. Head over to the Apps section within Creative Cloud, find Illustrator, and click Install. In just a few moments, you'll have Adobe Illustrator ready to use on your PC or Mac. If you opt for the business plan, you'll enjoy a generous 14-day trial period to explore all of Illustrator's features. This plan is tailored for professionals, offering additional tools and support that are ideal for serious designers. On the flip side, the individual plan provides a 7-day trial, which is great for personal use and gives you a solid introduction to what Illustrator can do. The business plan is more expensive but offers more features and support, while the individual plan is more affordable and suitable for personal use. Before committing to a subscription, this trial period is an excellent opportunity to get hands-on experience and decide if Illustrator is the right fit for your design needs. While Adobe's software isn't free indefinitely, the trial offers incredible value for the quality and capabilities it provides. My team and I rely on Adobe Illustrator for all our design projects. It stands out in the market. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to ComTechpedia for more awesome tech tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching and happy designing. Your support means a lot to us. This guide helps you dive into graphic design with Adobe Illustrator. See you in the next video.